Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Store AI review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will talk about the software called Store AI. So this is the Store AI review, and right now we are on a sales page, and then we have the demo video which is for 2 minutes long. So we'll start with the demo video and then we'll get back to the sales page later on. So let's watch the demo video for 2 minutes and then I'll be right back. Don't go anywhere, I'll be right back. Watch it for 2 minutes till the end. Right, so the demo is done and you have seen everything, I guess. So this software is going to create these stores for you, as you have seen here. So these kind of websites where you can sell something if you want. Okay, so in case you have the use of these kind of stores and you want to sell something online, maybe you have an e-com business or you want to sell something digitally, then you can check out this software which will help you to create websites like these, where you can add your Stripe and PayPal, I guess, and you can accept the payments as well. Okay, so it says store a dot and there's a dot missing after I. Attention grabbing, your share from 6.3 billion e-com industry just got faster and easier with a dot I3 dots. First to market, new Shopify killer, Google bar blah blah blah. Instantly creates and publish unlimited AI web stores, Android store apps, iOS store apps. It makes no sense to me. Okay, so you have seen the demo video. That is all you need to see. And then we have money screenshots. Money screenshots got nothing to do with the software. Okay, you see here, it's all fake. Sales page is all scam. Okay, this money has got nothing to do with the software. As you see here, the job of the software is only to create websites like these. That is it. There's no money thing going on here. Okay, how will you make money with this website? It's impossible unless you go and maybe sell something and you run some paid ads and let people come to your website. After that, if they buy, then probably you'll make money. Okay, they're showing you this Warrior Plus money screenshot. The way they make this kind of money is by selling you these products on this website called Warrior Plus. Okay, so the money they have made is by selling this software to you or this software to you, not by using this software itself. Understand? Sales page is all scam. And then we have the screenshots which are not even relevant here. What is this relevance? What is the relevance of these graphs and everything? You see here, what's the relevance? They're talking about e-com, I guess. E-com is being taken over by giants such as Amazon and some other companies. Okay, so what else do we have? You're supposed to become some freelancer now. Until here, okay, you see, until here they were saying you go and do your own e-com business, run your own e-com store, and now here they're saying that you go and become some freelancer and you create e-com store for somebody else. Decide first, Do you want us to become this e-com and sell our own products now, or you want to become freelancers and go and sell or go and create stores for other people? Okay, so anyways, they're throwing all the dice on the chessboard, and these are the themes and templates. Okay, so don't expect too much from this. The only reason you want to buy this is if you want to sell something, some products, and you want to create a website for you, and you want the ready-made website where you can simply add your products and play around with it and link your PayPal or Stripe and then start getting traffic to that website and then make some money by selling something. If you think you want to get all that done, maybe you can go and buy this. You will find the link below, probably my video here. So it will be saying grab Google, not Google, it says Google here. It will be saying grab store AI copy here. Click on that link. That link will take you to the sales page from where you can buy in $17, of course, right? Yes. What else do we have here? So it says, do you need experienced tech skills to start to get started? No, 100% friendly. You are here to, I mean, for example, they're here to sell you. So when somebody has to come and sell you, as per them, everything is so easy. Just go and buy. That is why, yes, it's newbie friendly. Do you provide money back guarantee? 30-day training included? They say it's included. I doubt it. How are you different? Leave it. Do you provide support? They say they do. I'm telling you, they will not. All right, sales page is done. Demo video was done. Okay. And then we have some OTOs right here. So there's not much information about the OTOs except the numbers only. So you pay them this, keep paying them. Okay. And then here is the, this funnel, super sexy funnel. Okay. So again, $37 and all that. Okay. So yeah, so you don't make money by buying these things, right? So you will buy store AI. This is one of the things. These are, these are one of those things which will come and go and then come back again. Okay, nothing in $17 will ever make you money. Get that in your head as soon as possible so that you can stop wasting your money, right? You want to make money online, you have to work manually. Okay, now again, let's tell you, or let's recommend you who should buy this. Okay, if you think that you need these kind of websites where you can add your products and you can make people come to this website somehow and they will buy something and you will make money, no problem. If you know what you are doing, go and buy from my link below. Okay, but you are a newbie and you are here only to make money online. Don't waste your time and money on this method. This will help you with nothing. You will make no dollars. Okay, because making money online is not about creating a website and adding your products. Making money online is who is going to come to this website to buy something. And that means how will you bring people to any website, not just e-com website. Okay, how will you bring people to maybe this page? For example, this is store AI. Okay, the way I am bringing you to this store AI is by creating my YouTube review. So I'm making a YouTube video manually, and some people will find this video on YouTube and you will come and watch my video. And if you click on this link below, you will come to this page, and that is how I have made you to come to this page. And if you buy from me, I will make money, you will make nothing. Similarly, you need to master and learn how to get traffic to your sales pages of the offers which you're promoting. And getting traffic is possible in two ways only. If you talk about paid marketing, you can go and run Google ads, Facebook ads, Bing ads, this and that ad. Okay, all those ads. Okay, for that you need technical expertise and you need money, right? And if you're looking for free traffic, obviously, what do you think what I'm doing here? I am making this video because this video will give me free traffic. Free traffic means when you are watching my video, I have not paid you any money, or I did not pay any money to YouTube for my video to be shown to you. Okay, so you are watching it for free. I have made it for free, and you are my traffic now, because now if you go and buy something from me, I'll make money. Okay, even if you don't buy anything from me, still I have made my money because you have seen some ads in my YouTube video. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, because my YouTube channel is monetized. More details you will find when you check out this traffic Jarvis. Okay, so let's wind this up. And for those people who want to make money online, I have these two methods. Make money on autopilot with Forex Thingy. Forex Thingy is like this. I'll explain in a moment. Okay, so this store AI is only good for people who already know how to get traffic to their store and then sell and make money. If you're a newbie only, don't buy. Newbies will not make anything out of this. Okay, Now, if you want to make money online, then subscribe, like, and press the bell thingy. Click on all these buttons. These are for you people, okay? I'll show you now how to make money with these two methods. So watch the video till the end. Now, if your end goal is only to make money online, then come below my video right now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and if you want to support and contribute, you may click on super thanks. Now, click on the first link here. It says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Now, forex trading is quite simple and complicated at the same time because it's about the knowledge. So you do not need to know exactly what's happening here, but if you take a look at this machine or the graph right now, this is a currency graph. So the concept is that you buy currency at low price and you sell when the price goes up. So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high. Okay. Now we will not be doing any of this manually because we will be using a software, and then that software will be doing all this buying and selling automatically on our behalf, and we will be just making profits. Okay, so again, come below and click on the first link here, then come on this page, enter your name, enter your email address, then click on unlock the syndicate, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the main page of the syndicate. There are two videos on the main sales page of the syndicate, option 1 and option 2. Watch those two videos till the end to understand what this method is all about. Okay, I cannot explain everything right now in this video, so you have to go and fill up the form, then watch those two videos till the end, and after that, if you want to get started, then you can contact me or message me on Skype, or if you have any questions, you can again message me on Skype. Okay, do not contact me before watching those two videos till the end, otherwise I will block you. Don't contact me without your without doing your homework. Okay, if you're not serious, get out. So contact me only if you're serious, interested, and you have done your homework, right? So fill up the form and go on the sales page, watch those two videos, and then you can get back to me, because the syndicate will make you 60% profits weekly for doing nothing, because you do not have to go through any training, any modules or anything. I will be managing everything on your behalf. So I will be setting up the virtual machine, I will be setting up the graph, I will be installing the software, I will be giving the settings to the software, everything I will manage on your behalf. And once we start making profits with the system, then you get to keep 60% profits weekly, and I get to keep 40% profits weekly. I'm talking about profits, okay? When the system makes money, then only you get paid, and then only I get paid, right? If you want to know how to get started, fill up the form and watch those videos and then get back to me. Now, second link says make money with Traffic Jarvis. Traffic Jarvis will help you to do exactly what I am doing right now on YouTube. So in case you want to make money on YouTube by doing these reviews, or you want to make money without selling anything, then go and get Traffic Jarvis, because Traffic Jarvis will help you to make money on YouTube without even selling anything. For example, in this YouTube video, when you are watching my video, you have seen some ads as well. These ads make me money whether you buy something from me or not, okay? Because my YouTube channel is monetized, and in order for this to work for you, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel. And with the help of Traffic Jarvis, you can get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in 2 weeks only, right? So with Traffic Jarvis, you will be able to do exactly what I'm doing right now, make these reviews, affiliate marketing, email marketing, YouTube monetization, everything. But the difference between the first option here and the second option is that in first option, make money on autopilot with forex thingy, you have to do nothing and you still make 60% profits. If you want to go and get Traffic Jarvis and work on YouTube, then you have to work manually, okay? Both methods work. I am doing them both personally, and I'm making money using both the methods, because the first system is completely on autopilot. So I have time, and if I have time, I come on YouTube and I make my video. So I can do both. Now, I don't know your situation. You might want to go with the first option, or you might want to go with the second, or you might want to go with the both, just like me, okay? So choose whatever suits your situation, okay? In the end, again, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. As a YouTuber, I can't subscribe to my own channel, right? So check out these links, and in the end, I'll show you how to make money with Traffic Jarvis in detail. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with Traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about Traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending one email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with this. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube Traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the Traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is gonna make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of Traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside Traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product. So that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for Traffic Jarvis YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here is the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here. And thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, baba tai tai. That means tada bye bye.